In modern construction, efficiency, stability, and continuous operation define project speed and cost. Today, we'll take you inside this high-performance trailer concrete pump and show how it powers construction projects around the world. This trailer-mounted concrete pump is designed for mid to high-rise buildings, roads and bridges, tunnels, water conservancy, and rural construction projects. With its compact structure and easy mobility, it quickly adapts to a wide range of demanding job sites. Its high-pressure delivery system, combined with stable hydraulic control, enables long-distance, high-rise, and continuous concrete pumping. The machine is available with either a high-efficiency diesel engine or electric motor drive, providing stable output for different market requirements worldwide. Optimized main cylinders and delivery cylinders significantly improve pumping efficiency, reduce reversing impact, and ensure smoother continuous operation. Key components are made from highly wear-resistant materials. The S-valve system offers longer service life and lower maintenance costs, ideal for intensive continuous use. Before delivery, every unit goes through a strict commissioning and testing process to ensure it is job site ready upon arrival. First, inspect hydraulic oil, grease points, electrical systems, and all connected pipelines to ensure optimal operating condition. After startup, the machine runs under no-load conditions to verify engine speed, hydraulic pressure, and overall system stability. A real material pumping test follows, focusing on pumping pressure, discharge consistency, and reversing response speed. Once all parameters meet standards, the machine proceeds to final quality inspection and delivery. Whether for urban high-rise buildings or remote infrastructure projects, this trailer pump delivers a stable and reliable concrete placing solution. With excellent adaptability, it is widely used in building construction, bridge work, tunnel projects. We deliver more than premium equipment. We provide complete global after-sales support, including remote technical guidance, spare parts supply, from production to delivery, and from commissioning to operator training. We help customers achieve truly efficient project operations. If you are looking for a high-efficiency and highly reliable trailer concrete pump, contact us today for a customized solution and quotation. Subscribe to our channel for more construction machinery products and real job site cases.